morning. On yesterday's video, I said I would go for a cycle. I'm starting to regret that decision now. So I haven't had much sleep. Do I want to go? Not really. Will I feel better once I get there? Maybe, probably. So I'm just going to get out the house, do what I can. Don't know if I go as far as Bath, but I've got about 1.5 miles to get to the cycle path right now. So it's nearly midday. I'm leaving an hour later than I wanted, so got about maybe 5.5 hours of daylight, so I better get a move on. It's going to take me about 1.25 hours to get there. Yeah, I'm so lucky to have this within Bristol. Keep forgetting it's here. Yeah, that first 2 miles getting out of my high street is really quite taxing. But it's getting easier, it's getting a lot easier. So look at that. Okay, it's 1 o'clock and at this rate it's going to take me ages to get there. I could keep stopping to take photos, but I just wanted to show you how, if we go over here, that's where the river walk would end up. I hadn't realised that before. It's just so nice with all the trees. Siri, remember where I parked?
Okay, I'll remember that you parked here.
Okay, I made it. That was a lot easier than usual. Must be getting a lot fitter, but now to find somewhere to go draw. Okay, that's exactly what I mean by getting inspiration while out and about. There's this person, it's probably not that cold actually, it's warmed up, but yeah, definitely a summer outfit, so I'm going to draw that now. Okay, so there's no one around, but I'm still worried about speaking in public. I'm still learning how to do that, but just got to do it, don't you? Just got to get over that. We are getting towards spring. There's a few snowdrops around, bluebells, snowdrops I think, and yeah, it's a really lovely day. It's going to be interesting to see how long it takes me to get back, because I'm definitely getting a lot fitter I think, even though health is a bit dodgy still. It's not rained, a bit of drizzle, but yeah, what a beautiful day. Well, that's changed. Where's the big ramp got to? Oh, it's going to be absolutely tiny. Okay, the iPhone wins. Okay, yeah, it started to rain. So much for spring, but a few more months and it will be here. Although, then we get the April showers and it rains again. Oh wow, I love the rain. Yeah, I was going to spend my time in this park, but I need to get home. Well, I can cross out cycling in hailstones off my list. Home. Yeah, the good thing about going out is that it's so much nicer to come in. Got absolutely drenched, got caught in a hailstorm that I didn't film, and yeah, my legs have had it, but yeah, it was great. Exercise and getting out is really good for my mental health, my depression, anxiety, which I don't suffer from so much now, but definitely in some form or another, and it certainly helps my ADHD. But with ADHD and being, switching to do things, it's difficult to switch from what I'm doing to going out and organising and thinking where to go in a trip. Usually it's like this, where an idea takes over and I decide to run with it. Good to bring you along with me on this cycle that I've done before, which was a little bit easier on the way there, was a bit more difficult on the way back. And yeah, I'll see you soon in another video. I'm hoping to do more art-based stuff, like some time lapses, and to show the process of creating art. And yeah, look forward to seeing you then. See you all very soon, and stay well wherever you are.